Welcome to our Pharos Express training videos. In this series, we'll show you how to use the Pharos Express lighting control system. If you're completely new to Pharos Express, it might help to explore our product pages first. Here, you'll learn about the system, the different applications it's used in, and some typical use cases. You can browse some of the key features that make Express stand out, as well as the products that make an Express system. If you're new to DMX and networking, or want to refresh your memory on these topics, it would be beneficial to look at our series of lighting control fundamentals videos that you can find on our support page. From the support page, navigate to Express Support to find resources including our schematic tool, which helps design and customize an Express system. Answer the questions, and you'll be presented with your project-specific schematic as a downloadable PDF. Here, you'll find downloads for Pharos Express software, used for configuring, commissioning, and programming Express hardware. An online help manual is also available. The software, available for Windows and Mac OS, is what we'll be using in these introductory videos. The software is free to download, and no dongle or hardware is required, so feel free to try it for yourself. As with any Pharos system, we use the software to configure the hardware. After commissioning, only our hardware is left on site. No computer is required during operation. In this first part, we'll show you around the controller hardware and Express software. Next, we'll build 3 Pharos Express projects to show the basics of working in the software. We'll be using our tabletop training case, which you can see represents a selection of typical installations. The first project video explores programming a standalone exterior object, which could be a landmark tower or an art installation. Here it's represented by a statue, with just 6 RGB fixtures surrounding it. The second video covers a very common control application, commissioning the lighting for a building facade. This facade has 7 rows of 20 RGB fixtures. For the third video, we'll look at an indoor space, using a mixture of fixture types for practical and decorative lighting, and a touchscreen user interface, in our example restaurant setup. These will be followed by a series of short explainer videos, which will each take a deeper dive into aspects of programming, so you can pick and choose various topics and features that are relevant to you at the time. Let's get started.